Welcome to this in-depth review of the HydroCoach website. If you're passionate about fitness, staying hydrated, and leveraging technology to improve your health, HydroCoach is a tool that might be on your radar. Today, I'm going to take you through every corner of the website to show you what it offers and how it works from a user's perspective. Let's dive into the homepage. The design is clean and simple, with an emphasis on guiding users towards understanding their hydration needs. The site immediately highlights its main feature, a personalized hydration plan based on your activity level, weight, and health goals. It offers a modern, intuitive interface with straightforward navigation, which is great for users who are not particularly tech-savvy. The registration process is easy to follow. After inputting basic information like your weight, age, and daily activity level, HydroCoach generates a tailored hydration goal. What stands out here is how thorough yet quick this step is. However, a downside is that some users might feel limited by the lack of integration with other health platforms, like Apple Health or Fitbit, which could enhance its tracking accuracy. The dashboard is where HydroCoach really shines. It provides daily reminders to drink water, tracks your progress, and even offers tips on improving hydration. The data visualization is a standout feature. Colorful and easy to interpret, it makes following your hydration trends enjoyable. Still, it could benefit from more advanced analytics for users who love diving deep into their stats. A noteworthy feature is the hydration challenges. These add a layer of gamification, encouraging users to hit their hydration goals by competing with friends or simply trying to beat their personal records. This is motivating, especially for those who find it difficult to stick to such habits. One of the areas that could use improvement is the mobile optimization of the website. While it's functional, there are moments when the interface feels slightly clunky on smaller screens. Additionally, the lack of offline capabilities might be a drawback for users who want to track hydration while traveling or away from an internet connection. The educational resources provided on the site are commendable. HydroCoach includes articles and tips on the importance of hydration, debunking myths, and providing practical advice. This is a valuable feature, particularly for users new to hydration tracking. Still, seasoned fitness enthusiasts might find the resources somewhat basic. Overall, HydroCoach is an excellent tool for individuals looking to make hydration a priority in their fitness routines. While it has its flaws, such as limited integrations and minor interface hiccups, the core functionality delivers on its promise. Its user-friendly design, engaging features, and focus on personalization make it a reliable companion for hydration tracking. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews of fitness tools and websites. Your support helps us create better content every time.